Hey guys, it's Candy and I'm super excited about today's tutorial. Yes, I definitely just received these kinky bulk hair from QVR Hair. Yes, it's human hair, 100%, 22 inches. I received 4 packs. This is how the hair looks outside of the pack. Absolutely beautiful. Feels amazingly soft, easy to separate. Each piece is already separated in single strands for you to install. There are 3 bundles and you can see based on how the top of it looks that it is actually very natural in texture. Yeah, so today that's what we're gonna do. I cannot wait to start the process. So if this is something that you would want to see more and hear more about, stick and stay as we get into the tutorial. So this is the hair. Yes, I am absolutely ready to get into the details. Look at how nice and defined it is. As I said before, it's super soft, easy to use, and I can already tell this is going to be absolutely weightless. So let's get into the process. So I start off by making my parts. I'm doing fairly small parts. These are not micro twists that I'm doing today, but they are small. Yeah, they're going to be on the smaller side. So I'm taking 2 pieces of the bulk here and overlapping one on top of the other. This is the color T27. Yeah, T227. Yes, so it starts off with a number 2 color or a darker color on top, and it transitions into that blonde color at the bottom, which I absolutely love. Yes, so I'm starting by doing a braid, and then once I braid for about an inch, I separate my natural hair that's in the middle between both sides of the twist. And of course, I'm sculpting the hair, molding it with my hair jam and making sure that my hair is pretty smooth so that there's no incidence of unnecessarily or premature frizzing. So that's what we're trying to avoid. So now that I have done that, I'm starting to twist the hair ever so gently. This is not a rope twisted style. Of course, you can rope twist this hair if you so choose, but I am doing a soft twist, and you're going to see the difference. It is a very defined look. When you see it, it's more of like a spring twist. So the hair is nice and bouncy and springy to the touch once I am done. All right, so I make sure I twist all the way to the very end. And guys, the end of the hair looks so realistic. I love that it mimics natural hair with that nice, natural, coily look at the end. Yeah, so I love the length, not too long, not too short. And yeah, that's twist number 1. Let's keep it going. Yeah, so let's continue and show you guys up close and personal how the twist looks. All right, so now we're gonna continue the process. So again, 2 pieces of hair, and that's what I love about this hair. You do not have to separate it. It's already pre-separated. I don't have to be taking off pieces and hoping that the sizes are consistent because these are already, like I said before, pre-separated. All right, so I'm starting off again with a braid just for about an inch or so. And once I braid it in securely, you want to go ahead and transition by doing a twist. Yes. And this, guys, is one of the simplest styles to do because, like I said, it's not the rope twisted method that I'm doing. I am literally just overlapping one side of the hair on top of the other side of the hair. Now, what I will tell you guys is that you can do 3 methods. You can twist it in this direction, which is the intended direction for the hair to be twisted. However, you can also twist it in the opposite direction, and that will give you a more or a less defined looking twist. It still looks nice. It has more of a crimped look, and I will show you guys later down in the video how that looks because I did go ahead and do some of that style of twist just for a little variation to the style. yeah, so you could twist it this way, you can twist it the opposite way, or you can twist it like a rope twist. All right, so now we are done. Make sure you clip off the stragglers because you do want the hair to look nice and neat and flawless. So I do go ahead and make sure that I trim off any excess frizzings at the end. Yeah. All right, so one more time, guys, I'm gonna try to do a little bit more of an up close for you guys so that you can see. And it really doesn't show you tutorial style how to braid, which is really not the point of this video. But you can get a basic idea as to how to do it. If you would want me to do a more in-depth, like step-by-step tutorial style video as to how to start a braid or how to do a twist, then let me know in the comments down below and I definitely will do that. But yeah, so starting off with a braid, making sure that the braid is nice and firm. Yes, I'm always tapping to test because you want to make sure that it is nice and secure. All right, so now I am molding it with my my hair product of choice, which is the Shine and Jam Magic Fingers, which is the braider's choice. Yes, and I'm going ahead and just doing my twist. Yeah. And I could twist all day with this hair and not have an issue with it. It's not rough at all. It's super duper soft. And so it is easy on the fingers, like absolutely easy on the fingers. All right, so now we are going ahead and starting the front section. So I'm just laying the hair over top of my parted section. And I pretty much just separate my natural hair into three and just start doing a regular braid as you would any three-strand braid. Once that is done, making sure that I add my product and start the twisting. This is one of the easiest, the most challenging part of this style for me was the parting. I absolutely do not love parting my hair for box braids type styles because it requires so much precision and it is difficult for me to see what's going on in the back. And yeah, but other than that, the installation is a breeze, guys. You will definitely not have any issues if you decided to DIY this style in your own head. Yeah. So this hair is available in different colors. If you guys are interested, they do have solid colors. If you are not about that ombre color life, yeah, they do have a wide variety of colors available and different lengths also. So definitely check them out. I will be leaving all of the links down below for you guys to check it out, as well as a discount code if you guys would like to purchase so that you guys can save on your purchase. How cute are these twists, you guys? How cute. They are so neat. It's unbelievable. Yeah. So yeah, I went ahead and did some more rows. Yes. So I'm pretty much just left with a small section up top. This is literally only up 2 packs of hair that I used so far. Yes. So 6 bundles in total so far. Yeah, and this is what I was explaining. This is the twist that I did for most of them. And then I also did some of the reverse twist, which is the ones that give you that more crimped, not so defined look. And I wanted that, as I said before, that helps to give it a little more character and add a little bit of interest, you know, to the style, in my opinion. So I'm just going to go ahead and part off my hair in order to finish up the style, do my side part and my middle part. And I'm going to just finish off camera for you guys to spare you the details. All right. So now I am done. And of the 4 packs, I used 3 full packs and most of one little section of the 4th pack. Yeah, so pretty much I think 3 packs could work for you guys. I do not know, but for me, it took 3 and a little bit. All right, so this is the final look. Yes. And I'm super happy with the turnout, how the style looks, how the color looks, how the hair feels. It's super lightweight. I cannot stress how lightweight this hair is. Perfect for sunny South Florida, guys. If you know how hot it's about to be here in South Florida, you would know why I appreciate this hair so much. So the mousse I added was pretty much, to be honest, for the scent. I love the smell of that mousse. And it also helps to activate the curls at the end of my twists. Yeah, giving it a more naturally curly look. Yeah, so guys, this is how it turned out. I love the ombre color. This is how the back looks. Yeah, pretty much nice and full. And I was able to style it in different ways, which I'm gonna be showing you guys in a quick minute. Nothing too difficult. I also made sure that I got a middle part in case I decided that I wanted to wear it as a center part, and I had that option. And I also am able to do a deep side part, which I also like. You definitely will have a lot of options where this hairstyle is concerned. There are endless ways in which you could wear it, and it is also workout friendly if you're an active person like myself. So yeah, love it, love it, love it. So this is my go-to way of styling any type of braids. I like to pull it off of my face, and I also think that it kind of elevates the look a little bit and gives it a little bit more of an elegance by just pinning the hair away from the face. So I'm just, you know, messing around and testing out some style options that I can go with. So this is one simple 2 bobby pins and I'm good to go. Yeah. All right. So we can also pull everything to the side and, you know, use some bobby pins to put them in place to keep the hair in place so that it won't fall down. But having done that, everything will just, you know, cascade on one shoulder and give you somewhat of a dressy look, if in my opinion. You can comment down below and let me know if any of these looks are even suitable for a dressy occasion. But hey, it is what it is. All right, so if you know me, you know I am a ponytail girl all day, every day, and twice on Sundays. So of course, you know, I have to experiment with my ponytail also. I'm using 1 strand of hair to secure the ponytail, yes. And this is an easy way. I find that this is easier and it preserves your hairstyle as opposed to trying to fit the ponytail in a hair tie. Yeah, thank me later, because that is a hack that I learned and appreciated so much. Yeah, so I'm just toying with with the idea of wearing it as just a loose ponytail, but ideally I wanted to just see how well it works for a bun. And of course, I'm gonna pull out my 2 tendrils, yes, just to frame the face a little bit, which I like to do when I'm doing any type of high ponytail. It just adds a touch of elegance, in my opinion. Yeah, so we're just doing a messy bun, nothing too structured, not a typical neat donut looking bun, just, yeah, just something effortless. Yeah, and so it works for that too. Yes. And I like the two-tone color with the bun actually being blonde and everything else looking black. It's something different from what I would usually wear. But yeah, it's pretty cute. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. All right, so now I'm going to go on with some more creativity. I am actually trying to do a bow tie. A bow tie bun. So this is for my vacationers who feel whimsical and playful and you just want to try. Yeah, this is Disney ready. Okay. I think I need to go to Disney World with this hairstyle. I definitely enjoyed installing and styling this QVR Afro Kinky human hair. Remember, the links will be down below so you can check that out and comment and let me know your thoughts about this hair. Thanks for watching. Talk to you on my next one. Bye.